All right, so last example that we're going to do for this section. So again, we're given a table, and it represents the cost of 2% milk over the given number of years. So again, when we first look at our directions, it's telling us to let x equal the year since 1990. So we need to actually go and change our x values. So remember, this one represents 0, and then we're figuring out how far away each of these years is from 1990. So 1998 is 8 years away, so we're going to use 8 for that one. This one is 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and then we have to go all the way up to 2025. So if we do a little bit of mental math here, that is going to be 35. And since this one has a question mark, we're doing our prediction. So really when we enter in data, we don't want to enter anything past this, because this is the one that we're trying to figure out. So to enter in our information, we're going to go to Stat, Edit, so we're going to press Enter, clear the information that's there, so arrow up, clear, Enter, arrow over and up, clear, Enter. X values go into list 1. So again, we're using our new ones. So 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and we don't want to enter this one in because that's the one we're going to use to predict. And then our Y values go into list 2, so 2.57, 2.83, 2.93, 3.10, 3.71. I got 3, so I'm missing one, so I'm going to have to go back and write over this one. So 3.1 and then 3.71. Okay, so again, those are the same, so my data should be right. And then to get our prediction equation, we're going to do Stat, arrow over to Calc, and select our linear regression. Enter through the screen until we get to this one. All right, so looks like, okay, again, rounding to the nearest, or to 3 decimal places, substituting it into that top equation. So y equals 0.095x plus 1.799. And then our r value is 0.932. So again, this is going to be a pretty strong positive correlation. So our question is now asking, how much would you expect to pay for a gallon of milk in 2025? So this is what we're trying to figure out. So again, we can graph it if we want to, but to me that's a little bit more work in this case. So instead I'm just going to substitute this, and really we want 35, remember, into my equation. So y equals 0.095 times 35 plus 1.799. And we're going to type exactly that into our calculator. So clear, and then 0.095 times, so I'm going to use parentheses this time, but you can also just use your times button, plus 1.799. Enter. And again, because these are rounded to 2 decimal places, that's where we're going to round our answer to. So it's going to be 5.12. And again, we're talking about cost, so we should use our dollar sign to show that. So it looks like milk's going to be about $5 in 2025. And that is also going to conclude our lesson.